The first X-ray was discovered accidentally by the German scientist William Röntgen while using high-voltage electricity in vacuum tubes in 1895. In 1898, Marie and Pierre Curie discovered radium, a form of gamma radiation. Instantly, the medical and dental industries found X-ray technology to be of incredible use. In 1922, the American Society of Mechanical Engineers, ASME, permitted the use of X-ray to inspect welded steel parts. In 1929 and throughout World War II, the U.S. Navy used gamma radiation to test all steel welds. X-ray technologies play a crucial role in many industries for determining the integrity of welds, assessing and measuring localized areas of corrosion and other internal discontinuities. The development of digital X-rays has begun to replace outdated film technology. Two of the biggest advantages of digital radiography are image quality and reduction of radioactive exposure. Digital radiography is best suited for image quality for review and analysis by both engineering and construction professionals. Clear, concise data can be stored in the cloud for easy access. Lastly, significant reduction in exposure to radiation improves the overall safety for employees, customers, and subcontractors. The shorter exposure time also reduces the interruption of work on the job site. Our goal at Worldwide Nondestructive Testing is to bring a technology to the natural gas industry that greatly improves inspection of transmission and distribution systems. The multitude of testing methodologies that we use provides indisputable evidence of flaws, discontinuities, leaks, anomalies, and/or imperfections in the materials, components, and craftsmanship. WWNDT is a mobile service that can visit any job site anytime with minimal crew disruption. X-ray film is outdated and in a few years will be obsolete. WWNDT uses digital technology that allows cloud-based record keeping for the life of that active pipeline. Additionally, our streaming capabilities gets job site information to your engineering and construction departments that day if needed or in an emergency. Worldwide Nondestructive Testing wants to be the natural gas industry's #1 provider of third-party testing. Weld inspection and welder qualification testing can be conducted by our certified weld inspectors, ASNT Level 2 technicians at the job site, or at our state-of-the-art facility. Whether using radiography inspection, X-ray, magnetic particle testing, liquid penetrant inspection, ultrasound thickness testing, or destructive testing, WWNDT will deliver a 100% pass or fail guaranteed. Our personnel are certified evaluators proctors in Midwest Energy Association, MEA, Veriforce, and Industrial Training Services, ITS. Fusion testing is done in accordance with CRF 49 Part 192.285. A major emphasis is placed on testing construction cutouts and immediately relaying that information back to the crew and customer to ensure the quality and integrity of the job can be maintained. WWNDT has the solution that will revolutionize the way our industry tests PE pipe. PE Fusion Radiography provides digital images of the exterior and interior of any PE pipe or fittings. Essentially, WWNDT has taken the same X-ray technology that doctors and dentists use and made it mobile and durable to withstand environmental conditions. It's also extremely safe for employees, contractors, and customers. The digital image quality with enhancement capabilities ensure that factuality-based records exist for whatever audit comes your way. WWNDT help you build the natural gas system that lasts beyond our lifetime.